Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial you will learn how to use TikTok. At this point, most of us have heard a mention of TikTok one way or another. With more than 500 million monthly active users, TikTok is serving as a worthy competitor to apps like Snapchat and Instagram. In this tutorial, we'll focus on the general concept of using TikTok. First off, let's download the app and sign up. You can do an instant sign up with Facebook, Gmail, or Twitter, or add a standard username and password if you don't want any of those accounts connected. Once we're logged in, let's tap the icon in the lower right that looks like a person's outline to see and edit your profile. Once you edit the profile, tap the Edit Profile button, then select a profile photo or video. You should also add your username and bio information. If you want to show off your other social media profiles, you can link up your YouTube and Instagram pages. Now that you've set up your profile, tap back to the first tab, which shows you the video feed. Think of this feed like Twitter's, but where video is the primary content. While some navigation gestures might be a bit different, the whole concept really works similarly to Twitter or Instagram, where you can leave comments, likes, and view others' profile pages. Now, let's get to creating and posting of videos. Tap the Center tab to enter camera mode. To face the camera in the right direction, tap the flip icon in the top right. On the top right side of the screen, you'll also see an icon for the following: Speed for slow-mo, Beauty for an AR filter that makes your skin smoother, Filters, Timer, and Flash. On the top center of the camera screen, you'll also see music notes with Add a Sound next to them. Tap this to choose the musical overlay or sound effect that you want to work with. There's also an effect icon in the bottom left. When you tap Effects, you'll see a giant lineup of AR filters and other special effects that can augment your face or your surroundings. You can also pick out a video overlay styled filter here. In the black bar under the camera, you can set the time limit for your video or tap Photo Template to create a photo slideshow instead of a video. Once you're ready, press and hold the red record button. If you want to fit different shots in each video or record it in pieces, simply hold the record button for each segment, then let go. Then press and hold it again when you're ready for your next shot. Don't want to hold your record button the whole time? Before you enter record mode, you can also use the timer to give yourself enough time to prop up your phone and pose in front of it before it starts automatically recording. At this point, you can make final edits, add caption, hashtags, or music similar to Instagram stories and post it. Tap next here and you can set the privacy of the video and save the video to your phone. Tap Post to post it, or Draft to get back to it later. TikTok may seem like quite the odd platform. While it's a very young application, it's already become popular amongst the younger audience as well as some of the more established brands such as Wendy's or the Washington Post. Don't be afraid to show a lighter side or a sense of humor. People come to this platform to be entertained. Remember though, as with Twitter and Instagram, hashtags and trends are your friends. What's your favorite social platform to use? If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.